Still thinking about how to create a service job in Fresa? Let's make it simple in under a minute. First, log into the Fresa Global application. Once you're on the home page, head over to the menu page. Now, to search quickly, just use the search bar. Type service job and hit search. From the results, select service job list. You'll land on the service job list page. Want to check recent jobs? Click on submit to view them instantly. Now let's create a new one. Click the create button at the top right. This opens the service job form. Fill in the key details. Job type, branch, origin, destination, client name, and cargo details. Once everything is entered, just click Save and Close. Done. Your service job is created and ready to go. That's all it takes to get it done quickly in Fresa. Try it in your next workflow, and follow for more quick Fresa tips.